saka motto mo sa buhay. Tama? Kung anong motto sa buhay. Okay, name mo po yung two at ang motto mo sa buhay. Okay? May isa pa kong motto. First contestant. Ladies first.
No.
Long press.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello po, good evening everyone. My name is Mario Francisco po from Metroland. So, simple lang po yung motto ko sa buhay. Kung gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. Thank you.
Malakpakan naman. Okay, next. Pakipasa ang mic.
Good morning, beautiful and handsome ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lovely Lopez. Looking wow and feeling wow from Shinrai Realty. My motto is, your beauty is a gift. Let's celebrate it. Thank you.
Palakpakan!
Good evening, everyone. I'm Chiara Claudine Pepita Savido from Southern Edge Realty. Welcome, you guys. And my motto in life is trust yourself, but more than that is trust God and trust His plan. That's all. Thank you.
Grabe pa. Parang pang DJ yung boses, no? Ganda. Next.
Good morning, mga ka-golden! Kami kayo sa Sataledyo at naniniwala ako, it doesn't matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. And I thank you.
Alright.
Hi, magandang buhay po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Annabelle Almacen from Four East Farm na nagbibigay po sa inyo ng maging mabuting tao lang po tayo lagi. Ang Panginoon po ang mag-aaral po para sa akin. Thank you.
Alright.
Magandang gabi ka, Golden. I'm Regina.
Shirley to time is gold. Time is gold.
I'm sorry, Maya, wala. Damay-damay na tayo. Ang motto ko sa buhay ay to make the impossible be possible.
Good morning, mga kapatid. Lito Nesa po from Famous Realty. My motto in life is, owning a home is a feast of wealth.
Good morning, everyone! My name is Jack from J City. Motto ko, galing sa kanta ni Lady Gaga. I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God knows I'm on the right track. Baby, I was born this way. So sa lahat ko na nandito, be proud of who you are. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Walter from Rises and Realty. Ang naniniwala ko sa kasabihan, time is gold. So it's your time to invest at Manor Space 2. Thank you. Pass.
My motto is, if God is with us, what can be against us?
English na naman ang dito. Good evening, everyone. I'm Ronnie De La Cruz from Cerveo Realty. So, my motto, do good, and good will back to you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hil Gabriel Ayok from Metroland Realty. Ang motto ko lang is, it is time to do it now.
Alright. So, okay. A-announce ko lang, okay, na ang mananalo-star of the night ng lalaki magkakaroon ng 3,000 na premyo. At ang babae ay mananalo din ng 3,000 pesos for being star of the night. Pero syempre, hindi po tapos. Kailangan niyo pong rumamba. Okay? So, isa-isa po. Kayo pong mauuna sa inside sa labas. Okay? So, DJ, pwedeng mo kayo ng magandang isip. Rarampa lang po. Punta dito hanggang dito. Tapos babalik po. Then, next. Yes, with your partner. Let's go! Palakpakan naman! Ayan, rampa! Okay. followers.